Today, I'm gonna show you guys how I pan-fry dumplings perfectly every single time. Firstly, we need a non-stick frying pan with a lid. On medium-low heat, pour enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan and lay the dumplings. I'm using a 20 cm pan today. If you are using a bigger pan than your element, lay the dumplings within the element to prevent the dumplings from being unevenly cooked. Pan-fried dumplings are actually cooked through in steam and then fried. Frozen dumplings need about 7 to 8 minutes to steam, and freshly made ones need about 5 to 6 minutes. When you hear a gentle sizzling, pour some water in. For this size pan, I added a quarter cup of cold water. If your pan is bigger, slightly increase the amount of water. Cover the pan with the lid. If the water runs out before 7 minutes, add a little more. Now when we're waiting, we can make a dumpling dip. We'll need some regular soy sauce, dark vinegar or rice vinegar, oyster sauce, water, sugar, sesame oil, and chili if you want it spicy. When time's up, open the lid and let the rest of the water evaporate, and the oil will start to brown and crisp the dumplings. It takes about 2 minutes to brown. You'll want to keep an eye on the browning, because it can overcook pretty quickly if the heat is a bit strong or it's cooked for too long. An easy way to prevent overcooking is to check the bottom. When it looks crispy, turn off the heat. To serve up, put a plate on top of the dumplings and flip over the frying pan. Do it over the sink if the plate you are using is smaller than the frying pan. Serve the dumplings upside down to prevent the crisp base from becoming soggy, and enjoy.